Hi guys and girls, good afternoon. As for today's lesson, we will be looking into the theory of money that includes characteristics and function. We will also be looking into a couple of practice questions, and that would be an exam question and a recap session before we end today's lesson. Just don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. To start with, we have a clear mindset that almost any item, any asset, anything can function as money. So, as long as it is generally accepted as payment, in fact, a lot of different things have been used as money over the centuries. And that includes gold, silver, copper, chocolate bars, cigarettes, and food products. Generally, money is a medium of exchange of goods and services. And traditionally, before money was being introduced, all countries were practicing barter system. And what is barter system? It's referred as an exchanging of goods and services for another goods and services. Can you imagine that? All right, let's now move on. The characteristics of money, which stands for PADDS. The five characteristics includes portable, acceptable, durable, divisible, and scarcities. As you could see on the screen, I've highlighted the key word for each of these terms. Portable is referred as money being easily transported as people travel. And we used to travel and we do travel, but due to COVID-19, we tend not to travel much. Acceptable refers as a form of currency must be acceptable by the population. Otherwise, pretty much you don't need the money to be in place in your pocket. Durable refers as an item retains the same shape and over an extended period of time, and it does not easily decompose or change to any other form. Divisible, as money can be divided into small increments that can be used in exchange for goods in wide range of different values. The smaller the division, the better it is. And finally, scarcities refers as limited in supply. So to keep it simple, all you have got to do is remember PADDS stands for portable, acceptable, durable, divisible, and scarcities. Moving on, let's go through the functions of money. There are four functions which are medium of exchange, store of value, measure of value, standard for deferred payment. As you could see on the screen, I have briefly explained each. For an example, medium of exchange is defined as money allows goods and services to be traded without the need for a barter system. And pretty much barter system relies on being a double coincidence of ones between two people involved in an exchange. And surely if you do understand, it's quite difficult for barter system to take place in today's competitive environment. Moving on, store of value is defined as any asset whose value can be used now or used in the future. For an example, the value can be retrieved at a later date. That means people can save now and to fund spending at a later date. The third function, unit of account, refers to anything that allows the value of something to be expressed in an understandable way and in a way that allows the value of item to be compared. And finally, standard of deferred payment refers to the expressing of value of a debt. If people borrow today, they can always pay their loan in the future in a way that's acceptable to the person who made the loan. So pretty much these are the four functions of money. Let's now move into exam question. As you can see on the screen, this is a very common past year question which is frequently asked in the exam for the last few years. Explain two functions of money. I have four points listed. In order to gain 4 marks, you can either pick any of those 2 points. For an example, the functions of money is medium of exchange and standard for deferred payment. That only gives you 2 marks. And this is a very common mistake by students. In order to gain 4 marks, you are required to explain each function briefly. For an example, the function of money is a medium of exchange and standard for deferred payment. Medium of exchange refers to money allows goods and services to be traded without the need for a barter system. Standard for deferred payment refers to the expressing of value of a debt. For example, if people borrow today, they can pay their loan in the future in a way what is acceptable to the person who made the loan. Well, this is how you get your 4 marks. Just a quick recap on today's lesson. Characteristics of money stands for PADDS, which refers to portable, acceptable, durable, divisible, and scarcities. And the 4 functions of money includes medium of exchange, store of value, unit of account, and standard for deferred payment. Thank you for watching my video and feel free to provide your comments below. Have a pleasant day, guys. Stay tuned for my next upcoming lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks once again.